Go.
Dear Emma, today is Sunday, May 26th.
And we miss you terribly, and so we wanted to start this off.
We are here at Jen and Leo's wedding.
And we miss you, and so we wanted to share the love.
There's a spot for you right here, which is where you should have been.
And now Ashley's there. Say hello, Ashley.
Hi, Emma, we really miss you.
So basically, expect more of these throughout the night.
Good Pence, representing England, and Emma has already started making its rounds into people's drinks, starting with...
So I started with Tim Cheston. He then went to Alex Therese. And Alex then went to Erica. And Erica, we have yet to determine where it's going.
And as you know from Beach Week, I am now exempt from this process because it's a really bad idea to penny me.
So basically, we wanted to say that we love you.
It's only 8 p.m., so this is only the beginning of drunken videos coming your way.
And we can't wait to see you soon.
We love you!
Bye!
Mwah!